Welcome to our gastronomic journey through the vibrant world of Thai cuisine. Thailand is a paradise, not only for its stunning landscapes, but also for its mouth-watering dishes that dance on your taste buds. In this video, we'll take you on a flavorful exploration of some of the most iconic Thai foods that have captured the hearts of food enthusiasts worldwide. Our adventure begins with the fiery allure of Tom Yum soup, a zesty concoction of lemongrass, chili, and lime, followed by the delightful Pad Thai, a stir-fried noodle masterpiece. We'll delve into the spicy wonders of green curry, the comforting embrace of massaman curry, and the irresistible flavors of som tum, papaya salad. Prepare to be enchanted by the medley of tastes and textures, from the crispy goodness of spring rolls to the sweet indulgence of mango sticky rice for dessert. Join us in celebrating the rich tapestry of Thai cuisine, where every dish tells a story and every bite is a revelation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to embark on more culinary adventures with us.